again? Huh? You gonna get it? Are you gonna get it? You got it. You're the winner. What about this one? What about that? What about this one, huh? Go get it. Oh. Get that toy, Bogart. Get it. What are you doing, Pixie? What are you doing, Pixie? JT got the toy. Tucker, what are you doing? You're always just chewing on things. You like to chew. I need to get you a Nylabone. I need to get you a Nylabone just for Tucker. I think I'm gonna. Next time I go to the pet store, we're getting you a Nylabone. Tug? Come on. Get up. Play some tug. Play some tug. Get it. Get it, Lola. Get it. What are you guys doing? What are you doing, Pixie, huh? What are you doing, Pixie? Yeah.
Get back.
Finn.
So Kevin comes in at 1, and then Catalina